We're here live with a new product. I'm White. This is our new product, the ShamWow paper towel. You got a spill? You got a spill? Just dab it on in there. Dab the spill. Look at the mess. Look, no mess at all. Want to put it back? Put it back in. You take it. You want to need more one ShamWow? Look, you rip it. You got 2 ShamWows. Rip it again. You got 4 ShamWows. What are you gonna do? You got a spill. Mom gets mad. You spilled your Coke at the table. You spilled it on the carpet. Look, Mom, don't get frustrated. Look, Mom, we took up all the Coke. She gets mad. Throw it at her. It's a weapon. It could be anything. You could take it. Any peeping Toms out there. You could look through the window. You could look twice. You could look at your cute neighbor. You could look out the window. It could be anything. It's not just a paper towel. It's a way of life. You at a party. You in college. Like, oh, look, let's play ShamWow throw. Look, oh, he throws it back. Look, I'm winning already. You take it. You're at a party. You're out of cups. You can play ShamWow Pong. Look. Oh, I missed. It's your turn. It could be anything. It's a way of life. If you order now, the first 100 customers get a free ShamWow with their purchase. So call now. Oh, hold on. We have a caller. Erica from New Orleans just ordered 3 ShamWows. She's just as happy as me.